my hair done, my lashes are done, my nails are done. Don't talk to me. What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing a 2024 transformation, our first glow up of the year. Make some noise, y'all. So I'm so excited. I've been bumming it for a little while now and it was just time that I got myself together. We're doing hair in this video, we're doing nails, we're doing lashes, we're doing it all. So if you want to see me go from this to this, make sure you stay tuned. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into today's video. Alright, guys, so I just finished my nails. As you can see, I went very natural. I got the square natural ones, so I think they came out pretty cute. And yeah, I always, like I said, I like to file them down so like they're nice and square, like, because as you can see earlier, like fresh out the pack, they were a little rounded off and I don't like that. Like, I need my nails sharp, like not stiletto sharp, but like, you know what I mean. Like if I want square nails, I need square nails. So now all my nails are done. So now we're about to move on to lashes because I've been taking a lash break for the longest time and I'm just ready to pop back out. My hair is done, so why not do my lashes too? Alright y'all, so to do my lashes, I'm going to be using these lash tweezers. Super cute. Got these on Amazon, I think. No, I got them on Shein, y'all. I'm also going to be using this Fad Lash Bond and Seal. I got this from Amazon. And then I also have these, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the brand. So I'm also going to be using these. And this pack comes in 10 through 16. And the curl is double D curl. I think that's how you say it. DD curl, double D curl. So yeah, that's pretty much all I use. So now I'm about to zoom in a little bit and we're gonna get started. So it's gonna be a 10 to 16 cat eye. And I'm just going to do a little freestyle set, but that's usually like the map that I like to follow. And then I also like to double them up just so it gives a more volume look. So okay guys, the lashes are done. But yeah, I just feel so much better having these lashes. So now I'm just gonna do my makeup just because I feel like I need to like really pull everything together. Like I feel like this was a very short maintenance vlog and I just feel like y'all need the full, like, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to do my makeup. I just feel like doing a full face will like really be the glue of everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and beat this face. So stay tuned. I'm not sure if I want to talk to y'all. Like, should we talk during this or should I just do? Because I don't want to annoy y'all, you know? I just know that these edges are looking crazy, so I want to fix that immediately. Alright y'all, the edges are done. Who are y'all? No, I'm just kidding, but let's go ahead and get started. We finished the makeup. Our makeup came out so good. Like, it must have known. It must have known, like, let's show out. So y'all, this is my makeup. I think it came out so cute. And like I said, I told y'all it was gonna pull everything together. I got my hair done. 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 My lashes are done. My nails are done. Don't talk to me. So that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.